মায়াপুর শশী নবদ্বীপ শুদ্ধা করো মায়াপুর মায়াপুর শশী নবদ্বীপ শুদ্ধা করো মায়াপুর শশী সুত গৌর হরি নিমাই সুন্দর শশী শশী সুত গৌর হরি নিমাই সুন্দর শশী রাধা ভাব কান্তি আচ্ছাদিত নটবর রাধা ভাব কান্তি নামানন্দ চপল বালক মাতৃভক্ত নামানন্দ চপল বাল ব্রহ্মাণ্ড বদন তুর্কি কৌতুকানুরক্ত ব্রহ্মাণ্ড বদন বিদ্যার্থী উড়ুপ চৌর দোয়ের মোহন বিদ্যার্থী উড়ুপ চৌ তৈথিক সর্বস্ব গ্রাম্য বালিকা ক্রীড়ন তৈথিক লক্ষ্মী প্রতিবর দাতা উদ্ধত বালক লক্ষ্মী প্রতিবর শ্রী সচিরপতি পুত্র শোক নিবারক শ্রী সচি লক্ষ্মীপতি পূর্বদেশ সর্বক্লেশ হর লক্ষ্মীপতি দিগ্বিজয়ী দর্পহারি বিষ্ণু প্রিয়েশ্বর দিগ্বিজয় আর্য ধর্ম পাল পিতৃ গয়া পিণ্ড দাতা আর্য ধর্ম পাল পুরী শিষ্য মাধ্বাচার্য সম্প্রদায় পাতা পুরী কৃষ্ণ নামন্মত্ত কৃষ্ণ তত্ত্ব অধ্যাপক কৃষ্ণ নামন্মত্ত নাম সংকীর্তন যুগ ধর্ম প্রবর্তক নাম নাম সংকীর্তন যুগ ধর্ম প্রবর্তক নাম অদ্বৈত বান্ধব শ্রীনিবাস গৃহধন অদ্বৈত বান্ধব অদ্বৈত বান্ধব শ্রীনিবাস গৃহধন অদ্বৈত বান্ধব নিত্যানন্দ প্রাণ গদাধরের জীবন নিত্যানন্দ প্রাণ নিত্যানন্দ প্রাণ গদাধরের জীবন নিত্যানন্দ অন্তর্দীপ শশধর সীমন্ত বিজয় অন্তর্দীপ গদ্রুম বিহারী মধ্য দীপ লীলাশ্রয়ী গদ্রুম বিহারী কোল দীপ পতি ঋতু দীপ মহেশ্বর কোল দীপ পতি ঋতু জহ্নুমোদ দ্রুম রুদ্র দীপের ঈশ্বর জহ্নুম নবখণ্ড রঙ্গনাথ জাহ্নবী জীবন নবখণ্ড রঙ্গনাথ জগাই মাধাই আদি দুর্বৃত্ত তারণ জগাই মাধাই আদি নগর কীর্তন সিংহ কাজী উদ্ধারণ নগর কীর্তন সিংহ শুদ্ধ নাম প্রচারক ভক্তার্থী হরণ শুদ্ধ নাম নারায়ণী কৃপা সিন্ধু জীবের নিয়ন্তা নারায়ণী কৃপা সিন্ধু অধম পড়ুয়া দণ্ডী ভক্ত দোষ হন্তা অধম পড়ুয়া শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য চন্দ্র ভারতী চারণ শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য চন্দ্র পরিব্রাজ শিরোমণি উৎকল পাবন পরিব্রাজ শির অম্বুলিঙ্গ ভুবনেশ কপতে সপতি অম্বুলিঙ্গ ভুবনেশ ক্ষীরচোর গোপাল দর্শন সুখী জ্যোতি ক্ষীরচোর निर्दंडी सन्यासी सार्वभौम कृपामयो निर्दंडी निर्दंडी सन्यासी सार्वभौम कृपामयो निर्दंडी स्वानंद आस्वादानंदी सर्वसुखाश्रयो स्वानंद पुरट सुंदर वासुदेव प्राण कोर्ता पुरट सुंदर रामानंद सखा भट्ट कुल केशहर्ता रामानंद बौद्ध जैन मायावादी कुतर्क खंडन बौद्ध जैन मायावादी दक्षिण पावन भक्ति ग्रंथ उद्धारण दक्षिण पावन आलालो दर्शनानंदी रथाग्र नर्तको आलालो दर्शन गजपति प्राण देवानंद उद्धारको गजपति प्राण कुलिया प्रकाशे दुई पड़ुआर प्राण कुलिया प्रकाशे दुई रूप सनातन बंधु सर्वजीव प्राण रूप सनातन वृंदावनानंद मूर्ति बलभद्र संगी वृंदावनानंद जवन उद्धारी भक्त वल्लभीर रंगी जवन उद्धारी काशीवासी सन्यासी उद्धारी प्रेम दाता काशीवासी मर्कट वैरागी दंडी आचंडालो त्राता भक्तेर गौरवकारी भक्त प्राण धन भक्तेर भक्तेर गौरवकारी भक्त प्राण धन भक्तेर गौरव हरिदास रघुनाथ स्वरूप जीवन हरिदास हरिदास रघुनाथ स्वरूप जीवन नदिया नगरे निताय नेचे नेचे गाओ रे नदिया नगरे निताय नेचे नेचे नदिया नगरे निताय नेचे नेचे गाओ रे भक्ति विनोदता पड़े रंगा पाए रे भक्ति नदी পরে রাঙা পাহিরে ভক হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 ভজমর গৌরাঙ্গ চরণ আরে ভাই ভজিয়া মইনু দুঃখে ডুরি গৃহ বিষকূপে দগ্ধ কইল এ পঞ্চ পুরাণ দগ্ধ তাপত্রয় বিষানলে অহর্নিশ হিয়া জোড়ে তাপ দেহ সদা হয়ে অচেতন দেহ সদা রিপুবাস ইন্দ্রিয় হইল গোরা পদ পাথরিল ইন্দ্রিয় হইল গোরা পদ বিমুখ ইলহে নধন বিমুখ হেন গৌর দয়াম ছাড়ি সব লাজ হেন হেন গৌর দয়াম ছাড়ি সব লাজ হেন গৌর কায় মনে লহরে শরণ কায় পরম দুর্মতি ছিল তারে গোরা উদ্ধারিল পরম তারা হইল পতিত পাবন তারা হইল গোরা দ্বিজ নটরাজে বান্ধ দয় মাঝে গোরা বিজন রাজে বান্ধ দয় মাঝে গোরা কি করিবে সংসার সমান নরতম দাস গোরা সম কেহ নরতম না ভজিতে দেহ প্রেম ধন না ভজিতে দেহ না ভজিতে দেহ প্রেম ধন না আরে ভাই ভজ মোর গৌরাঙ্গ চরণ আরে ভাই ভজ মোর গৌরাঙ্গ চরণ না ভজিয়া মইন দুঃখে ডুবি গৃহ বিষকূপে না দগ্ধ কইল এ পঞ্চ পরাণ দগ্ধ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরি হরে জয় জয় শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য নিত্যানন্দ জয় জয়া দ্বৈত চন্দ্র জয় গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ জয়া দ্বৈত জয় জয় শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য নিত্যানন্দ জয়া দ্বৈত চন্দ্র জয় গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ জয়া দ্বৈত কৃপা করি সবে মিলি কর করুণা অধম পতিত জনে না করে ঘৃণা অধম এ তিন সংসার মাঝে তুই আপদ সার এ তিন ভাবিয়া দে হিনু মনে গতি নাহি আরো ভাবিয়া দে সে পদ পাবার আছে খেদ উঠে মনে পাবার আছে ব্যাকুল হৃদয় সদা করিয়ে ক্রন্দনে ব্যাকুল কিরূপে পাইব কিছু না পাই সন্ধান প্রভু লোক নাথ পদ নাহি কখন প্রভু লোক তুমি তো দয়াল প্রভু চাহ একবার তুমি তো দয়াল প্রভু চাহ একবার তুমি নরতম হৃদয়ের ঘোষণ কারো নরতম হৃদয়ের হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে परिव्राजकाचार्य भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद महाराज की जयम विष्णुपाद परमंश परिव्राजकाचार्य भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद महाराज की अनंत कोटि वैष्णववृंद की नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की श्री राधा कृष्ण गोपीनाथ राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड गिरिवर्धन की जय वृंदावन धाम की जय मथुरा धाम की जय जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की जय मायापुर नदी धाम की जय गंगा माई की जय जनमाई की जय तुलसी देवी की जय भक्ति देवी की जय श्रीमती राधा रानी की जय श्रीमती राधा रानी की जय प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम सचिनंदन श्री श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु की जय प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम सचिनंदन श्री श्री गौरांग महाप्रभु की जय कली भयनाशन कली जुग पावन सचिनंदन श्री श्री गौरांग महाप्रभु की जय पतित पावन सचिनंदन श्री श्री गौरांग महाप्रभु की जय पतित पावन प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम सचिनंदन श्री श्री गौरांग महाप्रभु की शुभाविर्भाव तिथि की जय पतित पावन सचिनंदन श्री श्री प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम गौरांग महाप्रभु की शुभाविर्भाव तिथि की जय समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की जय गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि all glory to His holy all glory to His holy all glory to His holy all glory Sri Sri Guru Gaurang अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कलामयं ददाति सोपदान्ति वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगण रघुनाथनीतं तं सजीवदूत परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्तकांचन गौरांग राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैवश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो 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 महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्नि गौरतुष्ये नमो यद्दैतं ब्रह्मपनिषदि तदप्यस्य तनुभाः जात्मान्तर्यामि पुरुष इति अस्यांशो विभो श्रीसर्जपूर्णजय भगवान् स स्वयमयं न चैतन्यात् कृष्ण जगति परतत्त्वं परमिह राधा कृष्ण प्रणय विकृति लादिनी शक्तिरस्मा देकात्मनावपि भुवि पुरा देहभेदं गतौ तौ चैतनाख्यं प्रकटमधुना तद्वयं चैक्यमाप्तं राधाभावद्वैति सुवर्णितं नौमि कृष्णस्वरूपं चिरादतं निजगुप्तवीतं स्वप्रेमनामामृतमत्युदारो आपामरं जोविततारो गौरकृष्णजनिं स्तमं प्रपद्ये गौरो सच्चरितामृतामृतनिधि सदैव स्तुवे गौरेण प्रथितं रहस्यभजनं गौराय सर्वं ददे गौरादस्ति कृपालुरत्र गौरस्य भृत्यो भवं गौरे गौरवमाचरामि भगवन् गौरप्रभो रक्ष मां माधुर्यै मधुवि सुगन्धिवदन स्वर्णाम्बुजानं वनं कारुण्यामृतनिर्झरैरुपचित सत्प्रेम हेमाचलो भक्ताम्बोधरधरणी विजयिनी निष्कम्प सम्पावलिर् देवो नः कुलदैवतं विजयतां चैतन्य कृष्ण हरि आदान कनकावदातौ संकीर्तनैकपितरौ कमलायताख्यौ विश्वम्भरौ द्विजवरौ जुगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरौ करुणावतारौ अनार्पितचरिञ्चिरा करुणयावतीर्न कलौ समर्पयितुमुन्नतजलरसां स्वभक्तिश्रियं हरिपुरटसुन्दरदुचि कदम्ब सन्दीपित सदा हृदयकन्दरे सुरतु न सचिनन्दन श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद श्रीकृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरि 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 राम 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 हरि हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम कृष्ण चैतन्य देव रतिमति भावे हेम कल्पतरु दाता श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य देव ब्रजराजनन्दन राधिका जीवनन्दन अपरूप यही सब कोथा নবদ্বীপে অবতরী রাধা ভাব অঙ্গিক তার কান্তি অঙ্গের ভূষণ নবদ্বীপে অবতরী দীনবাঞ্ছা অভিলাষী সচি গর্ভে পরকাশ সঙ্গী লইয়া পারিষদ গণ দীনবাঞ্ছা গৌর হরি অবতরী প্রেমের বাদর সাধিলা মনের নিজ কাজ গৌর হরি রাধিকার প্রাণপতি কিভাবে কান্দইনি তাহা বুঝে ভকত সমাজ রাধিকা हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 উত্তম অধম কিছু না বাছিল যাচিয়ে দিলে কখল উত্তম অধম কিছু কয়ে প্রেমানন্দ মন গৌরাঙ্গে হৃদয়ে ধরিয়া ভোলো কয়ে ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ ল গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে ভজ ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ ল গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে ভজ যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে যে ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ ল গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে যে জন হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরি হরি হরে হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরি হরি যশৈব পাদাম ভজ ভক্তি লভ্য প্রেমাবিধান পরম পুমর্থ তস্मै জগন মঙ্গল মঙ্গলায় চৈতন্য চন্দ্রায় নমো নমস্তে চৈতন্য আনন্দ লীলাময় বিগ্রহায় হেমাভ দিব্য ছবি সুন্দরায় তস্मै মহাপ্রেম রসপ্রদায় চৈতন্য চন্দ্রায় নমো নমস্তে চৈতন্য জন্নাথং কর্মনিষ্ঠৈর্নত সমাধিগতম যত্তপধ্যান যোগৈর বৈরাগ্যৈস্ত্যাগস্তত্ত্বস্তুতিভিরপি ন যত কীর্তন চাপি কৈশ্চিৎ গোবিন্দ প্রেম ভাজাঙ্গপি ন চ কলিতম যদরহস্যম স্বয়ং চ নাম্নৈব প্রাদুরাসিত অবতরতি পরে যত্র তং নৌমি গৌরম cost how and what are the causes of the appearance of Gaura here? Two types of causes are there. One is external cause, another is internal cause. In other words, we put it, external cause means is secondary cause, internal cause is chief cause. Juga dharma sankirtan prasar, braja prem dan. Do you understand? To spread Juga dharma sankirtan, Hari sankirtan, and give braja prem. These are three external causes. Do you understand? And there are three chief internal causes. Radhaya pranaya mahima kidrusam. What is the pranaya of Radha? Radharani is love, pranaya. Second thing, sadhya hena bhuta madhurima kidrusam va madhya. What is my wonderful, excellent beauty that Radharani releases. Third, Sokhyanchasya madanubhava. Beti lobha tad bhava dhya samajani sachigarbha sindham harini. Third thing is what happiness and pleasure Radharani derives by releasing that beauty of mind, excellent beauty. The three things. You understand? Chief internal causes. And we discussed yesterday these desires, three desires, internal, very confidential, internal causes, three types of greed Krishna developed. Therefore, he became Gaura to fulfill these desires and this greed. When you speak of external cause, Bahiranga Hetu, you should understand why it is called external. Because it is meant for others. It is meant for the people of Kali Yuga. Yugadharma Prachar Nam Train. It's for their requirement. So it is external. And internal cause is meant for himself, Gaura. He needs. That's his need, his requirement. Do you understand? That person knows that internal cause. You should understand the Supreme Lord has developed that desire. Therefore, he has developed a desire that I'll go and distribute this Braj Prem. So as soon as the Supreme Lord develops this desire, immediately his Kripa Shakti, you understand, begins to act. At the same time, Paramatmani Naman Nama. You understand? By the will of his dear devotee, by the desire of his dear devotee, the Supreme Lord Krishna incarnates himself. Bhakta Vatsalya. He always gives pleasure and happiness to his devotees. So this Acharya is their devotees, Bhakta Avatara. Do you understand? When Krishna appeared, we'll see how all the demigods headed by Brahma were praying piteously, crying piteously and praying for his appearance. You understand? Many devotees. So Krishna appeared. Similarly, when Gaura appeared at that time, this Acharya was also praying for his appearance, piteously crying and praying. Crying and praying. You understand? This Acharya came past. He saw the conditions, distressful conditions of the people of Kali Yuga here. His heart bleeds. He cried in his heart. How living entities are suffering here in this material world, especially in Kali Yuga, being bereft of Krishna Bhakti. Therefore, he took up a promise. I must make this Supreme Lord descend here. Do you understand? Promised. Karaimu Krishna Sarvanayana Gochara. Tobese Advaita Nam Krishna Kinka. I must make Krishna descend here. Otherwise, I won't have this name of Advaita, the servant of Krishna. I'll give up this name. Wonderful promise. This wonderful promise. Only A dear devotee can do so. Otherwise, nobody can do so. You understand? So when every day Aditya Acharya was worshipping Salagram Srila, offering tulsi leaf and Ganges water, crying and calling Krishna with thunderous voice to descend. He was always thinking, how shall I make Krishna descend? So this Gautamiya Tantra Vachana, Hari Bhakti Vilas, that is there, it came to his mind. Tulasi dala matrena jalasya sulukena va vikrinite swamatmanam bhaktibhyo bhaktavasthala. This Tantra Vachana came to his mind. That means if someone with devotion gives a tulsi leaf and a handful of Ganges water to the Lord Krishna becomes so much pleased and he becomes possessed by that devotee. You understand? He becomes possessed. Krishna-ke tulasi dala deo jaidan tar runa sodite Krishna karen chintan. If someone offers tulsi leaf and Ganges water with devotion to Lord Krishna, Krishna becomes indebted to him. He very seriously thinks of how to pay back his debt. How to pay back his debt. Tulasi, jala tulasi rasama kichu ghare nahi dhana. Tar runa sodhite Krishna kare na chinta. I have no asset, no wealth. This person has made me indebted to him, offering me tulsi leaf and water, with devotion. How can I pay back? I have no wealth. তবে আত্মা বেচি করে ঋণের শোধন অতভাবে আচার্য করেন আরাধন. Then Krishna thinks about, I have no wealth, I cannot pay back, so what shall I do? I shall give myself to him. So he descends. And Aditya Acharya thought up like this, and he offered tulsi leaf and Ganges water to Lord Krishna, cried, and called him. So Krishna appeared. You understand? This is another cause. This is also external or secondary cause. You understand? And it is sometime took place. The Lord has developed that desire. At the same time, Aditya Acharya is calling the same. Two things simultaneously. Strange coincidence. And all the leelas manifested by the internal potency of Krishna, that is Yogamaya. The Yogamaya was waiting for the calling of Aditya Acharya. When Aditya Acharya called, his thunderous voice penetrated the 14 planetary systems and entered in Golak Vrindavan. So, Yogamaya manifested Gaura Leela, made all arrangements so that Gaura will descend. Bhaktari Chaya Krishna Sabhavatar. Unless the devotee wants, Krishna won't come. You understand? So that is there. Mahaprabhu has also said that thing. Nadar Hunkar. One of the names of Aditya Acharya is Nada. You understand? Nadar Hunkar. Thunderous voice. Calling of Nada. Hmm? You understand? Took my position then. I cannot but come here. You understand? I cannot but come here. That Mahaprabhu has said. This is one of the reasons of Gaura Abhirbhav, the appearance of Gauranga. You understand? It's external. Then comes our internal cause. Three types. You understand? Radha Pranay Mahima Kidrusa. And what is the external beauty of mind that Radha releases, enjoys? Third one, by relishing my beauty, what pleasure and happiness Radha derives. The three desires, three types of greed developed in Krishna. This is Antaranga, Mukhya Antaranga Karana, chief eternal cause. And one after another, we have to discuss it. This is very, very confidential, very deep tattva. It's not meant for common people, ordinary persons. Those who are very, very advanced devotees, they can release it, they can understand it. Otherwise, not an easy affair to understand this thing. All right, I'll speak something. First, I'll speak in Oriya, then English. Tatparja. Very confidential tattva, very deep tattva. You understand? They're not easy tattva. Very, very confidential. Because this is postgraduate study. But you are a primary school student. How can you understand? Huh? You are a primary school student. How can you understand? The topics of postgraduate class. You should understand this thing. Yogeshwar, come up here. Sitting behind. Very deep thought. You understand? First, Radhang Pranay Mahima Kidrusam, isn't it? When you discuss this chief eternal cause, first thing comes, Radhaya Pranay Mahima Kidrusam, isn't it? What is Radha's pranaya? Huh? What do you say? You say love. In English, there is no word. But it's not exactly like that. Do you understand? If you read and if you discuss Ujjvala Nilamani, then you can understand what is pranaya. Do you understand? In Ujjvala Nilamani, Priti Prakaran, that is one Priti Prakaran. Do you understand? Huh? In that Priti Prakaran, pranaya's place is in the fifth place. First is Rati, then comes Prema. Prema, you say love. Then comes Sneha, then Mana, then comes Pranaya. Is fifth place. If you say love, it's exactly not like that. So there is no word in English. And how can I express it? Huh? That is Pranaya. Then you have to study and discuss Ujjvala Nilamani of Rupa Goswami. What is Rati? What is Prema? What is Sneha? What is Mana? Then Pranaya. Then it says, Radhaya Pranaya Mahima Kidrusam. It is not said Radha's Prema Mahima Kidrusam. Do you understand me? Do you follow me? Huh? Yogeshwar. Huh? Why it is not said Radhaya Prema Mahima? Why say Radhaya Pranaya Mahima? You should understand this thing. Very, very subtle tattva. Huh? The same word if you use love. No, no. You can't understand this thing. Do you understand? So then you have to study and discuss Ujjvala Nilamani to understand this thing. It is, I may say like this krama is gradual development. Do you understand? First is rati, then prema, then next step is sneha, then mana, then comes pranaya, is fifth place, is pranaya. Rasasarja, Rupa Goswami in Ujjvala Nilamani has said this thing. What is pranaya? Mano dadhano visrambam pranaya pratyute budhei. Do you understand? Yogeshwar. In Ujjvala Nilamani, Rupa Goswami has written like this. What is pranaya? Mano dadhano visrambam pranaya pratyute budhei. Budhei means learned persons. Pandit just say that if mano, I say rati prema sneha mano, then comes pranaya. If mano becomes visrambha, then it becomes pranaya. You can't understand. And then you have to understand what is visrambha. Another word comes. Do you understand, Yogeshwar? Then you have to study Ujjvala Nilamani. Then Jivapad explains it in Lochana Rochani Tika. Jivapad writes, Visrambha priyajanena saha tasya abhedamananang. That is Visrambha. Do you follow, Yogeshwar? Jivapad, Jiva Goswami writes in Lochana Rochani Tika. What is Visrambha? Visrambha priyajanena saha tasya abhedamananam. That means lover and beloved, Kanta and Kanta, when they think themselves one, no difference, that is called Visrambha. Do you understand? That is Visrambha. There is no difference. Abhedamanana, non-different. That is Visrambha. Also, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur in Ananda Chandrika Tika says, do you follow? Yogeshwar. So prana manodeha buddhi parichadadibhi kanto prana manabuddhyade aikya bhavana janyam abhedamananam. Vishwanath Chakravarti says. Do you understand? That means prana, mana, buddhi, deha, parichada. Prana, life, mana, mind, buddhi, intelligence, deha, body, parichada, garments. Do you understand? Are all same of Kanto and Kanta, lover and beloved. No difference. This is Abhedamanana, Visram. Do you follow? Yogeshwar, very deep. It is Visrambha. Also you see in Chaitanya Charitamrita, it's all there in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Ramananda, Raya Ramananda said, Nasa Ramana Nama Ramani Dumano Mana Bhavo Pesolajani. Do you follow? Yogeshwar. Raya Ramananda said, Chaitanya Charitamrita, because this is supposed to be a study. If you study Chaitanya Charitamrita, all things will come up. Ujjvala Nilamani, Lalita Madhava, Vidagdha Madhava, Govinda Lilamrita, Uddhava Sandesh, Hansoduta. Do you understand? Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. All these will come up. So this is postgraduate study. How can you understand this thing? Acharyas have said this thing. That says, Nasa Ramana Nahama Ramani. Duhu Mana Mana Bhava Pesolajani. This comes Ramana, Ramani. You understand? Ramana, Ramani. Radha, Ramana. Do you follow? Radha, Ramana. What do you understand? One who enjoys Radharani is Radha Ramana, is Krishna. And Ramani is Ramana, Ramani. Ramana means enjoyer. Ramani, who is enjoyed. Do you understand? Huh? Ramana, Ramani. So he says, Ramananda says, no so Ramana, na hama Ramani. Do you understand? He is not enjoyer, I am not the enjoyer. There is no difference. Is Visramba, Abhedamana. Do you understand it? So, but there is difference also. Non-difference, at the same time difference. Deha bhedam gato tau. Huh? You are asking that question yesterday. There is no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. But there is difference also. Lila rasa aswadite dhore dui divan. In order to release his own lila, he assumes two bodies. Kanta, Kanta. Shaktiman, evam Shakti. Do you understand, Yogeshwara? In order to realize his own pastimes. Because without Shakti, no pastimes will be manifested. So, Radha and Krishna, two bodies are there. Deha bhedam, Deha means body. Two bodies are there in Brother Leela, isn't it? In order to release his own pastimes. That says, aswadaka, aswadita. Enjoyer and the enjoyed is Ramana, Ramani. Sarasarad, Nanda, Nandana, Rasarad, Shyam, ek vyakti. Isn't it? Rasarad. Nanda, Nandana, Rasarad, Shyam, Shyam Sundar is one. One person. Huh? He is Ramana. He is enjoyed. And Mahabhavamai Vrusavana Nandini Radha, another person. Huh? He is Ramani. Enjoyed. Huh? Do you understand? But one thing is that there is difference at the same time non-difference also. There is difference at the same time non-difference also. Do you understand? Achintya, inconceivable. Veda Veda Tattva comes up here. Do you follow? Huh? Then comes Alambana and what is that? Yes, Alambana. Do you understand? Visaya Alambana. The Veda. Alambana gata. Dvivida, two types of alambana are there. One ashraya alambana, visaya alambana. Do you understand? That you have to go to Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhana, Ujjala, Nilamani, what is alambana and Ujjipana. Do you understand? These are what you say. Paribhashika sabda, in English, what do you say? Specific words, paribhashika. What is English? I don't know. Terminology. Terminology. Terminology, isn't it? In English, you may say terminology. Paribhashika sabda. Do you understand? Alambana and Ujjipana. Two types of alambana. Visaya alambana, ashraya alambana. When the question of releasing melo comes, then because the question of releasement comes, there are two sides, not one side. It's reciprocal. One is Ramana and another is Ramani. Do you understand? One is enjoyer, another is enjoyed. So that we say, Visayalambana, Ashrayalambana. As Ramana, enjoyer, is Visayalambana. and the enjoyed, he is Asvayalambana. Do you understand? Krishna is Visayalambana, whereas their devotees are Asvayalambana. Do you understand? Krishna is the enjoyer and devotees are to be enjoyed. So you are not enjoyer. Huh? You are to be enjoyed. Asvayalambana. Do you follow me? The Priti Karanti, one, what to say? One who loves, is lover, he is Asvayalambana. Huh? No, beloved. Huh? Radharani loves Krishna. So who is lover, who is beloved? Radharani is lover. And Krishna is beloved. Huh? So, no. I don't know. You say, what is your English? Huh? You know, you can't understand. Priti Karanti. Huh? Radharani loves Krishna. Do you understand? Radharani loves. Radharani loves whom? Then question whom? Krishna. So Radharani is Asvayalambana. Do you understand? And Krishna is Visayalambana. Whom he loves, whom she loves, is Visayalambana, is Krishna. Do you understand me? Visayalambana, Asvayalambana. I try my best to explain, but I fail. English language is such language. What shall I do? You have to read, know this language. Otherwise, you cannot understand. Do you understand? Huh? So all the devotees are Asvayalambana. Do you understand? And Krishna only is Visayalambana. Do you follow me? Huh? So gopis, headed by Radharani, they are all Asvaya. Asvayalambana. And Krishna only is Visayalambana. So Kanta, Kanta. All the gopis headed by Radharani, they are Kanta. What do you say in English? It's not exactly that. Huh? Consorts. Isn't it? Consorts. Huh? You may say like that. But this English language is such language. And I'm not proficient in English. So I face difficulty. You help me. Huh? So Krishna is Pritira Vishay and all the gopis, all devotees, headed by Radharani, Pritir Asray. Asralambana, Vishalambana, Kanta, Kanta. Do you understand? Lover, beloved, or husband and consort. Kanta, Kanta. Do you understand? Krishna is Purna Shaktiman, Radha Purna Shakti. Do you follow? There is no difference at the same time. Difference. No difference and at the same time difference.
Soul is neither
Yes, soul is neither male nor female. It's the body, only body. Therefore, body is judgment. Yes, Prakriti. That's another thing. Another thing. Don't go to that end. We are in going one end. You are diverting to other end. Don't go there. Do you understand? So, so Shaktigata, Bhavagata, Dehagata, Bhinnata. If you speak of the body, then there is difference. Speak of mood, Alammanagata is Bhinnata. But Tattvagata, Abhinnata. Do you understand? Shakti, Shaktirman, Abhinna. Tattvagata, there is none different. But Alammanagata, Dehagata, Deha means body, there is Bhinnata, two bodies. Do you understand? It's very simple, Tattva. It's simultaneous. Non-difference and difference. It is achintya, inconceivable. Another thing is there, according to rasa, mellow. Do you understand? As long as there is difference, the essence of mellow cannot be released. Do you understand? Essence of mellow cannot be released. As long as there is difference, you cannot conceive this thing. What is that? Your material mind. I say it's very difficult to understand. Huh? Therefore, in Gopal Champu, Jivapada said, so Gopal Champu comes. These are acharyas. They have described this thing. Very subtle and confidential. In one asana, one seat, Radha and Shyam are sitting. Do you understand? Radha and Shyam. Huh? Radha Shyam. Sitting. Then Madhukanta says, Madhukanta, Imam Gauri Shyamam Manasi Viparito Bahirapi. In Gopal Champu, Madhukanta says. Do you follow? Yogeshwar. That means Bahi. Bahi means externally. Huh? Externally Gauri. Gauri means Radharani, Eloise. But internally, Shyam is there. Do you understand? Do you follow? Externally Gauri. Gauri means Radharani, Eloise. Internally Shyam is there. In her heart there is Shyam. Similarly, externally Shyam is Krishna. Internally Gauri is there. Do you understand me? This is how difference and non-difference. Do you follow? Yogeshwar, try to understand. Try to understand. Huh? That is Gopal Champu. Imam Gauri Shyam Manasi Viparito Bahirapi. That is statement of Madhukanta says this thing. Huh? How can one understand that question? Do you understand me? How can one understand? How can we understand that in the heart of Shyam, Gauri is there, Radha is there. In the heart of Radha, Shyam is there. How can we understand? Then the learned person says, Spuratattat vastraviti buddhajani nishchita vidam. You follow? Yogeshwar. This is authority. Jivapada says like that. Spuratattat vastraviti buddhajani nishchita vidam. Those are learned person, they understand this thing by the clothes they have put on. Do you understand? You see, Pitavasa, the yellow garment, Shyam has put on. That means in his heart, Gauri is there. You see, Radharani has put on blue sari. That means Shyam is there in her heart. Do you understand? Externally two, internally one. Isn't it? Do you follow? Yogeshwar. And in Chaitanya Charitamrita, this Kaviraj Goswami has written, Krishnamayi Krishnajara bhitare bahare. Speaking about Radharani, he says Krishnamayi Krishnajara bhitare evam bahare. Krishna is inside and outside also. Isn't it? Do you follow? Yogeshwar, your question, this is answer here. Krishna is inside at the same time outside also. Isn't it? You see, Krishna is outside and inside also. Krishnamayi Krishnajara bhitare bahare. And the Srungara Rasa, Unnata Ujjala, the color of Unnata Ujjala Srungara Rasa is Shyam. Do you understand? And Madanakhya, the color of Madanakhya Mahabhav is molten gold. Color. Do you understand? Therefore, Rasaraj, Sri Krishna is Navaghana Syama and Madanakhya Mahabhava by Radha is Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi. Follow? Huh? Hmm. So in Gaura Lila, when Gaura comes, then that is the two bodies become one. Radha Krishna Milita Vigraha. There is no two. It's only one only. It's Gaura. Both Radha and Krishna united. That I say, as long as there is bhinnata, there is difference, the sense of mellow cannot be released. So it becomes one. Radha and Krishna becomes one. That is Gaura. He releases. Do you follow? Very subtle. You cannot conceive this thing. Only here, only here, only here. When you make advancement, achieve that stage by the mercy of Gaura, Acharyas like Rupa Raghunath. And I hope so you get their mercy, then you can understand. Let me finish. Thank you very much. Sachinandana Gaura Hari Ki Jai. Prema Purushottama Sachinandana Patita Pavana Sri Sri Gaura Hari Ki Jai. Prema Purushottama Sachinandana Gaura Hari Ki Subhavir Bhavati Ki Jai. Jai Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Ki Jai. Gaur Premanandi. If there will be no equal level, it cannot be realistic, isn't it? Both Kirtankari, Sravankari. Do you understand? The audience and speaker. If they will be not in equal level, it cannot be realised. So it's that's all I do. Anyhow, when we are discussing Gauranga, it's automatic. It comes up. I cannot but say. I cannot suppress myself. Because this is Gaura Tattva. Very deep, very confidential Tattva. You understand?
Beginning some karma. Some by hearing on.
That's all I do. Anyhow, I am praying for you,
Jai.
Gaurnita, and all the previous acharyas, Rupa Raghunath. Let them shower their mercy on you, and they will come, you can understand it.
Jai.
Hare Krishna. Govinda. And you should have hankering for it. You should have hankering for it. I tell you. Otherwise, how can you get the mercy? How can you understand without hankering? If you are not hungry, how can you release the dishes? Huh? If hunger is there, dishes are released. If you have no hunger, that way you should have hankering for it. You get their mercy, then you can release it. Understand this tattva. Otherwise not. Most important. Hari He, Gaur He, Hari Govinda He.
Is gonna this one also today class is gonna write in the PTG.
No, no. Don't write this. Tomorrow, yesterday's low.
Oh,
Only that can be. Nobody can. They will throw it.
They'll develop some inquisitiveness.
If you give a garland of, what to say, gems, pearls to a monkey, isn't it?
Yeah.
A monkey can understand, evaluate it. The monkey will bite it and then throw it. It's got like a pulse. Krishna, go ahead. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna, Govinda, Radhe Govinda, Gaura Govinda, Gaura Govinda Leela. Gaura Govinda Leela. Yes. Hare Krishna Govinda He. Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Therefore, Prabhupada Maharaj, don't say all these things because you can't understand this thing. Why say? You understand? Why say? You cannot understand this thing. Huh? Only it touches you, give a touch and try to arouse your greed for it. This question of greed. Do you understand? He tried to arouse your greed. I said, you should be greedy for it. Now the time has come, Jagadatma, to develop that greed. Don't say that. No, it's all right, I'll sleep here. Give up this carelessness. Sleepless, sleep, sleepless. Sleeping, you see. You should arouse greed for it now. Make advancement. Go, go, go. Up, 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 up. Or deep, deep, deep. And deeper post-phase. And then you collect the Zen. And have a Zen. Otherwise, how can you get it? And Gaurav gives, but you cannot get it. I'm a prisoner. But you can get it. Get it. Have it. Hmm. Hari He. Hari He. Hari Hari Krishna. See, go. Go. Govinda. Hari. That more you want? Uh-huh. You can't. You can't. You're deaf. You are deaf. What shall you do? Huh? Guru Maharaj, I have a desire to hear so many pastimes of Radha and Krishna. But is it good for me to hear so many pastimes of Radha and Krishna? What? Yes, that's very hard. And then some devotees said these are very confidential pastimes. Yeah. And cannot be understood as long as one is in the bodily concept of life. Yes. I want to surpass or go above bodily concept of life. Yes, but I'm still in the bodily concept of life. I want to go above it. Yes. And I also want to hear such topics, then my Hridroga Kama, my heart disease that lost is the heart disease will be cured. Yes. And I should hear from the right source. Mm-hmm. Yes. Then this disease will be cured, then go above this world becomes life. So, cause of her disease, he wants to cure that disease. This karma will be lost. So human beings lead us. Very transcendental. Lead us. Based on pure love. You understand? Lead us with gopis headed by Radharani. If you read the book of the 10th canto, I open. It's there.
Yeah.
So
We don't hear from the right source.
ah,
If we hear this not from the right source, then it's a thing.
danger is there. One is to be careful, right?
Hmm.
Yes.
Books are there. I can read book.
You can't understand by mere reading.